See, she froze up, honey.
She can't see me.
Do you like being naked? Do you want to get naked? Yeah. What do you think? These are funnies. Hi. No, I got it stage right. Should we get naked? You get naked? Hi. Hi.
She looks at you so longingly.
Are you staring at Daddy? What are you doing? What's Quinny doing? Oh, should we get your shirt off and read a book? All done. All done. Yay! Mom, who's naked, baby?
It's Glitter, naked baby. A boo 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 boo.
See, she's looking at the device.
Where are you going?
Kitty.
Hi. She did a quiet one. Huggies. Huggies. You ham it up as... Oh, there was one.
There's a Huggies. Hi.
Should Daddy read the book before meltdown starts? What? She hams it up for it.
Yeah.
What? Was that your round off?
Roundhouse kick.
Yeah. Oh. Really? Oh.
Oh.
Okay.